Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Hello everyone. So this is the third video from the exercise 3.2. For the previous two please check the description box. Now in this video I'm going to start from sum number 16. So here in sum number 16(1) you have to prove that tan x plus tan y by cot x plus cot y and that equal to tan x into tan y. So first here you have to convert this cot x into 1 by tan x and cot y into 1 by tan y. So here the LCM will be tan x into tan y. Here the LCM tan x into tan y. Now that tan x into tan y will be in the numerator and in the denominator there will be tan y plus tan x. So here tan y plus tan x. Now these two are cancelled out. So here the final answer tan x plus tan y. It's very easy. 16(2). Cot x plus tan y divided by cot y plus tan x. Proof करना है cot x into tan y. So first change this tan y into 1 by cot y and this tan x into 1 by cot x. So here the LCM will be cot y and the upper one will be cot x into cot y plus 1. In the denominator LCM will be cot x and upper one will be cot y into cot x plus 1. So these two are cancelled out. So the final answer will be cot x as the numerator and cot y as the denominator. Okay, so here cot x, now here cot y, now 1 by cot y, that means tan y. So it's proved. Next, sum number 17(1). In the left hand side you have sin square x cos square y minus cos square x sin square y. You have to prove that sin square x minus sin square y. So here you have to change cos square y as 1 minus sin square y and cos square x as 1 minus sin square x. As in the right hand side you have only sin square, so that means you have to change the cos square into sin square. So here sin square x into 1 sin square x into sin square y, that equal to sin square x sin square y. Here also multiply with this one and then sin square x and cos sin square y will be cancelled out, as here negative and here positive. So the final answer will be sin square x minus sin square y. So it's proved. 17(2) are as same as 17(1). Here you have to change sec square y into tan square. That means here sec square y equal to 1 plus tan square. Here also sec square y equal to 1 plus tan square. Okay, and then you can easily find out the value, that is tan square x minus tan square y. Now next one, sum number 18. In sum number 18, if cos x plus cos square x equal to 1, then prove that sin square x plus sin to the power 4x equal to 1. So here cos x equal to now 1 and here as plus cos square x, so it will be 1 minus cos square x. Now according to the formula 1 minus cos square x equal to sin square x. So that means cos x equal to sin square x. Clear? Now in the left hand side, so write down left hand side sin square x plus sin to the power 4x. Now instead of sin square x, you know that the value of sin square x equal to cos x. So write down here instead of sin square x, that equal to cos x. And sin to the power 4 means sin square x whole square. So that means sin square x equal to cos x, so cos square x. So that means cos x plus cos square x. Now in the given problem it said that cos x plus cos square x equal to 1. So here cos x plus cos square x equal to 1. So it's proved. Now next, here after 18 here is 20. Okay, so that means here eliminate t between the following 20 to 24. So after 18 that equal to 20. So the next sum is 20. So in 20 x equal to a sec t and y equal to b tan t. Okay, so you have to eliminate t. That means जो तुम्हारे पास जो आंसर आएगा, आंसर में t नहीं रहेगा. You have to eliminate t from your answer. So here sec t equal to x by a and tan t equal to y by b. Now squaring both side, sec square t equal to x square by a square. Here also tan square t equal to y square by b square. Now all of you know that according to the formula sec square t minus tan square t equal to 1. So now you can put down the value sec square t equal to x square by a square, tan square t equal to y square by b square, that equal to 1. So this is the answer. अब यहाँ पर देखो आंसर में कोई t नहीं है, इसका मतलब t यहाँ से एलिमिनेट हो गया. Now next one, sum number 21. So in sum number 21, here x equal to h plus a cos t. y इक्वल टू के प्लस बी साइन टी. ओके, बुक में b दिया हुआ नहीं है, यहाँ पर b होगा. सो राइट इट b इन द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ साइन टी. सो x minus h equal to a cos t, then cos t equal to x minus h by a. Similarly, sin t equal to y minus k by b. Now all of you know that the formula sin square t plus cos square t equal to 1. So put down the value y minus k by b whole square as here sin square and x minus h by a whole square as here cos square. So that equal to 1. So यहाँ पर से भी t eliminate हो गया है. So that is the answer. Next one, sum number 22. In sum number 22, sec t plus tan t equal to m, sec t minus tan t equal to n. You know the formula, sec square t minus tan square t equal to 1, and as here a square minus b square, so you can apply a plus b into a minus b. Now put down the value m and n, so m and n equal to 1. Next, 23. a cosec t plus b cot t equal to x. a cot t plus b cosec t equal to y. So now x square, but is squaring both sides. So x square here a cosec t plus b cot t whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, a plus b whole square formula. Here also if you squaring both side, then a square, that means a cot t whole square, b square b cosec t whole square, and then 2ab. Now as you know that x square minus y square, you have to find x square minus y square. Okay, so here x square minus y square equal to, as here a square cosec square t, and as here a square cot square t. So x square minus y square, that will be a square will be common, and in bracket cosec square t minus cot square t. Next one, here b square will be common, and in bracket cot square t minus cosec square t. And here 2ab cosec t cot t, that will be identically same. So as here x square minus y square, so these two will be cancel out. So by the formula a square into 1, and again b into b square into minus 1. Why minus 1? As here cosec square t minus cot square t equal to 1. But here cot square t minus cosec square t, that means the opposite. So that's why here minus 1. So now a square minus b square. Sum number 24 hints are given in your book. So I hope you can solve it. So here sum number 25. In sum number 25, x equal to a sin t, y equal to b tan t. You have to prove that a square by x square minus b square by y square, that equal to 1. So that means first you have to find out the value of a by x, and then have to square, and then b by y, and again square. So here x by a equal to sin t, and we have to find out a by x, that equal to 1 by sin t. 1 by sin t means cosec t. So a square by x square equal to cosec square t. Here same, y by b equal to tan t, then b by y equal to cot t, opposite of tan t, that means reciprocal. So here b square by y square equal to cot square t. Now a square by x square minus b square by y square, put down the value cosec square t minus cot square t, and that equal to 1. It's proved. Now the last one. So my dear student, if you like my video, please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe my channel if you are new viewer. One by one I will upload all the chapters from the book of ML Agarwal class 11. So please keep supporting. So here in sum number 26. In sum number 26, if m equal to cos alpha by cos beta, n equal to cos alpha by sin beta, then you have to prove that m square plus n square cos square beta into, that equal to n square. M square plus n square, that means here first you have to find out the whole square of these two one. So that will be cos square alpha by cos square beta, and plus cos square alpha by sin square beta. So here into cos square beta. Now here cos square alpha will be common, so common cos square alpha. Then here the LCM will be cos square beta into sin square beta. यहाँ पर मैंने step jump किया है. Okay, listen very carefully. So cos square beta into sin square beta, cos square beta into sin square beta as the LCM. Then the upper one will be as here 1. So 1 into sin square beta, sin square beta. Here 1 into cos square beta, cos square beta. Then again into cos square beta. Now cos square alpha, and here cos square beta cancel out. Then cos square alpha by that sin square beta here. And you know sin square beta plus cos square beta equal to 1 by the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So that's why cos square alpha by sin square beta. That means cos alpha by sin beta whole square. and as here said that the value of n equal to cos alpha by sin beta, so that means it's n square, so it's proved.